Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 10. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The recommendations are very nice. If we read them, they appear to be much more constructive than even the young pioneer groups programs in the Soviet Union. But in actual practice, nothing has been done because of lack of funds. If everybody receiving a salary or paying income tax, wealth tax, gift tax, or vehicle tax is requested to participate in the endeavor to raise resources for children, nobody will object. If the general masses pay 5 paise per individual per year, we can have a very sizable budget and a very constructive and comprehensive policy both at the center and in the states. When a child grows into a young man, he talks of sports and games. Look at the budget allocation for sports and games, which would help the development of the mental and physical potential of the young of our country. It is a small amount in comparison to what they spend in Middle Eastern countries. In a country having 100 crores of people, that is the second largest population in the world, children and youth are not given any financial expenditure support by the government. There is no compulsory item of expenditure for the promotion of the moral and cultural agents of the children in the national sphere. This work has to depend on some social organizations. I do not object to the participation of voluntary organizations. But I do feel that when a country proclaims itself to be a socialist country or a country on its march towards socialism, the looking after the youth and children should be the basic pillar of the policy of the country. What is the position in our country? The children are badly neglected. They do not know even their own parents. In the words of Jawaharlal Nehru, when a child is born in this country, it should consider the country as its mother and the country should consider the children as their own. Do our children think of our country in that way now? Today, the looking after of children is done by the father of a church because they feel that is the way to serve God. Sometimes we give them prizes or we recommend their names to the United Nations organization or other authorities for the award of Nobel or some other prize. But do you think that a country like ours should depend on a father of a church for the welfare of our children? The moment a child is born in our country, it should be the responsibility of the country under our constitution and the rule of law as it obtains today stop.